Good morning everyone. This is Veeravarshi. I am from 4th class. Today's 4th class students are connected to me. Now my friends Pal and Sandeep are going to tell old places and their monuments. My name is Bhagijan. I am from 4th class. Good morning everyone. My name is Sandeep. I am from 4th class. Kolkata, Calcutta, Mumbai, Bombay, Chennai, Madras, Trivandrum, Trivandrum, Varanasi, Banaras, Pune, Pune, Kochi, Vijayawada, Bangalore, Ramkis, Pal and Sandeep. You give us good information about old places and their monuments. Now my friends, Veronica, Nitya and Sharanya telling about Telugu poem and its bhavam.
My name is Veronica. I am from 4th class. My name is Nitya. I am from 4th class. My name is Sharanya. I am from 4th class. నావు గలవాడి కంటే భావింపగా నీతిపరుడు బలవంతుల గజంబుజ గజంబులు మావటి వీడెక్కినట్లు మహిళ సుమతి. శరీర బలము వాడి కంటే బుద్ధి బలము కలిగిన నీతివంతుడు గొప్పవాడి. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో ఎంత పెద్ద ఏనుగునైనా ఉపాయం చేత ఆమటి వాడు పైకి ఎక్కుతాడు కదా. Thank you, Veronica, Nitya, Sharanya. Now my friend Haksha is going to tell resources at their time. Good morning everyone. My name is Haksha. I am from 4th class. All materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called resources. They are of two types. All natural things such as land, air, water, soil, minerals, forests, and animals are known as natural resources. Things made by human using natural resources are called human-made resources. Building roads, missions, and electricity are called examples. Thank you, Aksha. It was nice information about resources and their types. My heartfelt thanks to our class teacher Pooja ma'am for guiding and making to prepare us. Thank you ma'am. And also my heartfelt thanks to our honorable principal ma'am for giving this wonderful